Hey guys, welcome to Fishing Tackle channel. I wanted to unbox this purchase, my latest purchase from Fisherman's Wharf in New Jersey. I bought these online. I've purchased several jigs, Shimano jigs and other types of jigs from their shop, and they're very good at delivering within a day or two. If you live in the East Coast, they'll pack it up and ready to go within a couple hours, so that's amazing. I bought some 3/4 bucktails, which was a pretty good price, so I recommend it. It's called Popeye. Is it Popeye bucktail? It's about 3/4 of an ounce. It comes in with 6 in a package. I think it wasn't too much. I think it was about $5 or so for these. And let's see, the quality definitely, it's not, you're getting the actual bucktail. Look at that, nice bucktail. I'm not a professional, so I can't tell whether it's real bucktail or not, but it's nice little tail, well made. The hooks look like this. They're pretty good hook, typical bucktail hook that you could put your 5 to 6 inches of gulp grub on here. Spread it out and give a good visual presentation. Very nice. I recommend these. I'll let you guys know how it goes. So I would do a double loop, top and bottom, and then using my sinker, I just jig up and down fast enough to catch some winter, fall, late fall fat flounders. And then the main thing I got right here, how many did I buy? 4. I bought 4 of these metal chrome color jigs. It's 4 ounce. It's well made. I like it. It comes with a nice swivel here, the hook, just like that. I could add another assist hook right here, but it's solid. Very well made. Surprisingly high quality. Doesn't look like anything, the type of chrome that will easily peel. Good quality hook. Very nice. Can't wait to jig with this guy. So for fall time, I would definitely recommend one of these. Put a bait right here. Then you jig it up and down, and you'll get a good size sea bass. And if there are bluefish around, definitely this will outlast all the bluefish bites. So having a metal swivel right here instead of assist hook type of hook in here that could easily get bitten off and tear and wear down, this chrome will track all kinds of fish. I think I've caught on my last outing, I've caught a porgy. Yeah, definitely, if you like porgy, this is what you could attract. Bluefish most definitely, and sea bass, and especially the big size sea bass, or very aggressive small sea bass. And then I've also caught a flounder with this. It's a little bit of a slower jigging, so you want to let it fall and then lightly tap like this, and then pick it up and then let it fall and lightly let it sit on the ground. Put some squid on here, a light squid. And if you're a first time metal jigging fisherman, I would say go with very light bait, and that would help. If you have it down, then you don't really need a bait, and you just jig up and down. And I would not recommend, if you're not familiar with it while you're drifting, definitely when it's anchored. If the boat is shoulder to shoulder, I would not recommend it. You're gonna get tangled, most likely, if you don't know how to jig properly. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. But I'm not sponsored by Fisherman Stores, but they're definitely, if they sponsor me, that would be great. Fisherman Stores, go check them out on website. Very good products and fast delivery, and I think they have a very decent price, competitive price to other places. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure to click that like button, and if you're a new subscriber, please subscribe. I make all kinds of different videos, and I like to introduce new type of jigs and fishing patterns. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.